pointer to structure. Pointer to structure. In C, like normal data pointers, we can have pointer to structure. So structure means it can contain some data items of mixed data type, and these mixed values are also stored in memory. So since it is memory, it will have some address. So if we store that address in some variable, we can say it as a structure pointer. Okay. So first thing, how to declare a structure pointer. Here struct is student. So we know how to declare structure variable. Structure variable can be declared as struct student S1. Here S1 is a structure variable. Here SPTR is a pointer variable because there is a star in front of SPTR. So here in this statement, address of S1. So only I am storing detail of one student. The address of the details of that one student is in ampersand S1, that is stored to SPTR. That is stored to SPTR. So now the pointer variable SPTR gets some value, some address value, and that is pointing to student S1. Okay. So the syntax is struct structure tag star structure pointer. So from the example it is very clear. Accessing members using pointers. Accessing members using pointer. So first one I will discuss the second part. First I will discuss the second option, using arrow operator. Using arrow operator. Arrow operator means the minus symbol followed by greater than. Minus symbol followed by greater than. So when we are using some structure pointer, so here structure pointer you have to use it like this, SPTR arrow operator followed by the member. Earlier what we have used on is S1 structure variable dot name. Here I am using structure pointer. Using structure pointing I am reading and printing data. So I have to use SPTR arrow operator followed by the member. This is scanf statement. Since it is percentages, I didn't put any ampersand here. So next I am reading roll number. Next is roll number. Earlier I have written something like ampersand S1 dot roll number. When I am using structure variable, I have to use structure variable dot that roll number. Here I am reading using structure pointer. So ampersand SPTR, because SPTR is a structure pointer, arrow operator, roll number. Similarly, here I am reading mark. Here I am reading mark. So I have written two print statements. In first print statement, I am using arrow operator. Earlier I am just using S1 dot name in place of this, S1 dot name in place of this. Here in place of this S1 dot roll number, here I have written S1 dot mark. So since I am using pointer, I can use pointer followed by arrow operator followed by the members. Okay. So there are two methods to access members using pointer. One is using arrow operator that we have discussed. Another one is using star. Star means asterisk operator or indirection operator. We already studied. Star has some names. Indirection operator, dereference operator. So using star and dot. Using star and dot. Using star and dot. So instead of arrow mark, you can write within bracket, you can write star FPTR dot name. So you can either use arrow operator or dot operator. If you use dot operator, you have to mention it as a pointer. Within bracket, you have to write star SPTR. Here also SPTR. Here also there is star SPTR. These are the two ways we can access structure members. We can access structure members. These two lines will give the same output. These two lines will give the same output. Now I will run the program. one student detail dot point open. Okay. Same program, executing the program, name Rohit, roll number 45, mark 127. So both statements will produce the same output. First statement is written based on arrow operator. Second statement is written based on dereference operator, that is star and dot. Star and dot. Any doubt? Any doubt?
Sir, can we scan here using dot operator?
Can we
Scan here
scan? Okay,
using.
okay. Let us try. So for that I will modify the program. I will read two student details, comma, 2 pointers. I will use 2 for student 2, SPTR 2 equal to ampersand S2. Okay, here I will scanf using pointer, then I will read the value using pointer, then print using the normal way. So everything will come. So instead of SPTR, what we have to write? SPTR1 within bracket star. Here on dot. Okay, I'm copying that thing, and actually this ampersand must be there. I think so. I also didn't write it. Let us try. So instead of this, I am copying that. Instead of this, I am copying that. Okay. Then I am printing with normal way because SPTR1. Sorry, it is SPTR2 actually. SPTR2. Here it is SPTR1. Here also 1 because this is all about first student. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Here I'm just writing S2 dot name the normal way because S2 and SPTR are same. SPTR2 are same. 2. Okay. So anyway, there is no error. Name some ASD, roll number 7, mark 9. So that is printed. Okay, let me give one slash n here. To print it in new line, I am giving slash n everywhere. Slash n. So name ASD 8, 9. Okay, anyway, here I didn't mention. Anyway, I'm entering some value. JKL 1560. So that one is not printed. S2 dot name.
Sir, I think we should print like SPTR1 dot name.
No, SPTR one dot name.
Like, no, SPTR2 dot name.
No, just trying now. Both S2 and SPTR2 must be same. So let me check. Okay, it is not printed.
സർ
Okay.
സർ ലൈൻ നമ്പർ 70 ആംപർസാൻഡ് ഇട്ടിട്ടില്ല മാർക്കിൻ്റെ അവിടെ.
Okay. Let us check. ASD 56 WR 89. Okay. So who found out that doubt?
It's me, sir, Advait.
Advait. Okay, thank you, Advait. Anyway, it's very hard. It's a bit difficult to find those such small errors. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all I want to discuss today. So some 2 more topics are remaining: dynamic memory allocation and files. Okay. So one thing, before attending the class of dynamic memory allocation, please understand the relation between pointer and one-dimensional array, and also pointer and two-dimensional array. So then only it will be clear. There actually we are going to implement some array programs without using arrays. We have already studied some array-based programs. There we are going to implement those problems without arrays.